In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw an arc with a specific radius and length using AutoCAD. This technique is really handy for precise design work, where the exact dimensions of curves are crucial. So let's dive in and get started. To achieve this, we're going to make use of the circle and lengthen tools in AutoCAD. These tools will help us create an arc that not only has a specified radius, but also a precise length. We'll start by drawing a circle with the desired radius. For this example, we're setting our circle radius to 50 units. You can, of course, choose whatever radius size suits your needs. Now, moving forward, let's say you want the arc to have a length of 100 units. To do this, we'll initially need to draw a line that essentially divides our circle in half. This line can run in any direction you prefer. It doesn't need to be perfectly aligned horizontally or vertically, just enough to bisect the circle through its center. Once your circle is bisected, we'll need to remove the portion of the circle that we won't be using. Select the side of the circle you don't need and go ahead and delete it. At this point, we've got a semicircle, but its arc length is still not specified, so let's fix that. For the next step, we're going to use the lengthen command. This is a powerful feature in AutoCAD that allows us to extend or reduce the length of an object to an exact measurement. To access this, simply type lengthen into the command line and press enter. This will prompt you to specify what kind of length modification you want to make. Type T for total and press enter, which tells AutoCAD that you're going to provide a total length for your arc. From here, enter the length you want the arc to be. In our case, we're entering 100 units. Now, click on the half circle. The software will adjust the arc to match the total length you've specified. It's really as simple as that. One helpful tip here is to use your mouse to click on the part of the arc you wish to retain, allowing you to decide which segment of the arc stays intact and which one is cut away. This gives you that extra level of precision, ensuring your arc conforms exactly to your design requirements. And there you have it. With these steps, you can easily create an arc with a specified radius and length in AutoCAD. Remember, these tools and commands are designed to offer flexibility and control, making your drafting tasks more straightforward and accurate. Thanks for watching and happy drawing!